viewers, welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to the tutorials. Today I'll be showing you some amazing tips on Bybit that you can use to earn money without trading, without depositing, and without doing any kind of activities on this very platform. So before I quickly show you into that, all you just need to do go to my channel and subscribe to my channel, and as well like my videos, and do not forget to share my videos for a lot of people to benefit from this. Okay, so all you just going to do, make sure you have a verified Binance account. Log into that account. If you just log into that account, all you just need to do is to go straight to reward hubs. Okay, if you go straight to reward hubs, you see a lot of things of this very nature. You can see Bybit Aurora ends on 2024 January 4th. This is currently ongoing. You can just dive into this place and start earning. The second option says easy options lucky quest. Okay, this is ongoing as well. This one says New Year's referral blinks. All you just need to do and refer a staff, refer somebody, refer a referee, and start earning from this very place. So currently what you are going to see here, you can see a lucky tax. All I just need to do is to accept this, of which I have done it already. So all you just need to do here is to invite one qualified referee for extra 10 USDT. Imagine this is a good one. Okay, just refer one person and you get 10 USDT. Valid from 2024 January to until 2024 January 16, January 1st to January 16. Okay, so the tax detail says this extra reward can be stackled with the referral program. Okay, so qualified referee refers one friend. That is, refer friends who have deposited a minimum of $100 and traded at least $500 within 7 days of signing up. Okay, please follow up to 48 hours for your reward to be credited. Okay, so all you just need to do here, come to this place, copy your referral link and paste it on all your social network for people to start signing up and start making money. Okay. So the second one here says USDC withdrawal going on. So all you just need to do, trade 4 times trading volume, 10,000 USDC, and you make a lot. So the second one says deposit at least no less than 500 USD, deposit 50,000 USDC, and you gain this airdrop. Okay, you can just go to deposit now and gain this airdrop. Okay, so this third one says Bybit Aurora. Let's click on this Bybit Aurora and see what it's saying. Okay, if you click on this Bybit Aurora, wait for it to pop up. It's up already. You can see Bybit Aurora AI. AI means artificial intelligence. Trade non-stop your AI edge around the clock. Explore now. What's Aurora? You go through all this and see what exactly you are supposed to do it and start making money. Number one says head to the Aurora AI zone. Number two says pick your referral parameters. Number three says enter your investment amount, get started, and start making a lot of money from this. So I'll be dropping my referral link beneath this video. All you just need to do, sign up using my referral link, and let's keep doing this together. Okay, second one says boost to VIP. Sorry, the third one, the fourth one, or the fifth one says boost your VIP status to level 2. This is still ongoing, it has not ended. So what you just need to do is to click on it to open. Now it's opening. So VIP boosted, level up your Bybit VIP status. Says we are here to provide you with the best trading experience, and also begins with an upgraded VIP status. Okay, let us know if you are already a VIP with another exchange. We will match and elevate your VIP level in program. Here is how it works. Simply submit screenshot of your 30-day trading volume and we will boost your VIP by 2 level for a month up to Supreme VIP. So all you just need to do here, register here, apply here, and just go through it, and you see a lot of things that you need to know for yourself and start making money. Okay, so all you just need to do is not delay, join now and start making cool USDT for yourself. Okay. So thank you so much for watching. Thank you so much for being with me. For you that are currently online, if you are currently watching this video, I'll show you some coins to buy. Buy this coin DG And also don't forget, buy this coin COQ. Okay, those coin will blow in a soon time, of which I'm already trading them. If you are still online, I'm still going to show you a coin to buy, which is IRL. You can buy this IRL as well. It will soon blow up. You can see it's currently trading at 170k, and the 24 hours is 0.139. Okay, so just take on this coin. There's also coin again I want you to buy if you are seeing this currently. The coin is called the FMC USDT. The FMC USDT is currently at 0.00. Let's see what it's trading at. There's the FMC. You can say you can come to the FMC now, buy it now, and trade it now. Between now and few hours to come, you will be in profit. Okay. So thank you so much for watching. Talking about for being with me. Subscribe to my channel. Subscribe my like my videos. Share my videos. I will see you in my next video. Thank you so much for watching. I will see you next. Bye.